Hey everyone, today I will be unboxing the new Dior Luxury Beauty Advent Calendar for 2020. I have it right here. I got this direct from the Dior website, and I don't know if it'll be available at other retailers. I know that last year my Saks had this in store. I checked with Neiman Marcus and Saks and they didn't get it yet, and it wasn't on their site. And so when this was available on the Dior website, I just went ahead and ordered it. So the outside is pretty much the same. It's just the very plain white. And it has that same textured Dior with the gold Dior logo. I'll go ahead and open it real quick, but then I'm going to turn the camera around just because it's easier to show. It opens up like this. Oh my gosh, look how amazing this is. So I'll go ahead and unbox it with you. I did get several advent calendars this year. I plan on doing a roundup of all of them, kind of ranking, you know, the best ones, but this one just deserved its own video. And stay tuned till the end. I will share a promo code with Dior so that you get some extra goodies. If you do end up ordering this direct from the Dior website, there's a promo code and it'll throw in some extra little deluxe samples and a Dior pouch. So just stay till the end. Now that I'm turned around here, so before I get into this, I just wanted to show you what comes with it. So when you order online, you get the typical, you know, the Dior box that's right here. But then they have the holiday ribbon, and it's so pretty. So here's the holiday little tag, and it's blank on the back, so you can write a message. Here's the ribbon. It's really pretty. So this is the ribbon that comes wrapped in it, and I'll include a picture of how it came. It was really pretty, but I had to undo it because I wanted to make sure all the samples were in there. It's a really pretty gold, black ribbon with a gold sparkle there. See? You also get this Dior envelope, and this has all the return information inside and return label if you need to return it, and then it has a card that says with compliments of Dior, and then it's blank, or you can opt to write a message, I believe, or you can leave it blank and then you can write your own message if you want to gift this to someone. But these are all free. The packaging is always amazing with Dior Beauty. You also get this little drawstring pouch with the samples. So I chose the 3 Maison Dior fragrance samples. I love Rouge Trafalgar. And then when your order is over, I believe $100, you have the option of getting a deluxe sample. So I always love their fragrance minis. These were all extra. So this is the Dior men's. It's like a men's clutch. And then Dior Backstage Primer. And then another Miss Dior Rose and Roses. Now this is with a separate promo code, and I will include this at the end. So it is that same white, like textured, it's just plain white. It has the Dior logo in gold, and then it's just all plain on the back. It has this ribbon up here at the top, a carrying ribbon with a little hanging Dior envelope, CD on the back. And this is just information. It's an information card that comes with the advent calendar. It's in different languages, and then there's just another booklet that tells you it's limited edition. And then this is what gives you the ingredients information for each sample that comes inside this. This is also a cute place to put a gift message if you're gifting this to someone. It's like a little tri-fold. That's it. Let me back this up. So that is it. Such a pretty design. I've always wanted the Dior Advent Calendar, and I never got it because I just thought it's so much money. I just always thought it was so much money. And I honestly regret not getting last year's, because last year it was all white inside, and it had, so it was kind of a similar design. It was, you know, the Dior storefront, but it was white as opposed to this is a black background. So I just thought the white would be a, you know, brighter and maybe less visual space. This is really nice. I still think it's very pretty. It's, you know, it's black and gold and white, so it's still neutral. I bought this because I want to use this as a, you know, also as a decor piece. I do, however, think that last year's was also a little better because the actual things that come inside, last year's had more of the Maison fragrances. This has just like their regular fragrances, which is fine, but I already own most of them. So really, I just got this for the display purposes. Okay, I also forgot to show you, this came wrapped. The entire thing came wrapped up in this plastic, but this pretty much tells you all the items that are going to be in here. And so just as a heads up, it contains 24 Dior minis. Everything is numbered, and the numbers are just like all over the place, honestly. Let's see, like here's 7, like where's 1? I don't even, is that 1? Yeah, it's just totally random. Okay, so we'll just start. So here's 1. So the first is the Jadore Eau de Parfum. Here's number 2. 2 is the Dior Show Iconic Over Curl Mascara. Number 3, we have one of their skincare, Dior Capture Total Cell Energy Skincare. Number 4 is a men's fragrance. Number 4 is the Dior Homme Cologne, and I totally damaged it at the top trying to get it out because these are so hard to get out, so I needed scissors to pry it loose. Number 5, Dior Prestige Rose Serum. I actually really like this. I've tried this before, so this is really nice. I like that the deluxe size sample is still the same packaging as the full size. These are really expensive, so I probably won't get a full size, but yeah, this will last a while. There's number 6. And, oh, cute. Number 6 is the Dior Face and Body Primer. And I actually have a bunch of these samples, and then this also came as a deluxe sample with this order. Here's 7. And 7 is the Dior Sauvage Eau de Toilette. Okay, 8 is back here. 8 is the Capture Total Super Potent Serum. I haven't tried this one, but I love serums. Okay, here's 9. Okay, 9 is the Rouge Dior 999. This is just like a bright red lipstick. I already own, I think several full sizes of these. I think this is in the lipstick set that I get every year. I'll include a link, but yeah, I love those lipstick clutch sets that they have. 10 is down here. So number 10 is the Capture Youth Glow Booster. And I actually use this already. I apply this after my skincare routine, right before makeup, like underneath my makeup, because I really like a really glowy look. 11 is up here. Number 11 is the Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. I got the Miss Dior Eau de Toilette. This was the free sample with the purchase of this, but this is what comes with it. Number 12 is on this side right here. Number 12 is the Dream Skin Capture Total Dream Skin Care Perfect cream. Okay, 13 is in here. Ooh, okay, 13. 13 is their Dior Nail Lacquer in the Rouge 999. That's like their number code for their very signature bright red. 14 is back up here, and it's another Jadore. So number 14 is the Jadore Mini, and this is the Eau de Toilette versus the first one was the Parfum. Okay, 15 is down here. 15 is a mini of the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. This is so good. It smells so good. I definitely recommend this. I have a full size. I actually show this a lot on my Instagram because it was called like the lip care maximizing set, and it was like $60 something, and it had 2 full size lip products and a mini mascara and then a pouch. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I definitely recommend you follow me on there. Every time there's a good deal, I will always post it. And so they had a full size of this and 2 other products for $60, which was just such a great deal. So here's 16. 16 is another skincare. The Dior Prestige La Lotion Essence de Rose. This sounds so good. I haven't tried this yet. And 17 is right here in the front. And it's the, oh, I like this. This is 17. I use this all the time. This is the Dior Show Lash Primer. I already have one open that I'm using currently, so I'm gonna save this, but yeah, this is great. I did a masterclass with the Dior, one of the Dior artists, and he talked about how it's very like enriching for your lashes too. It's not just a makeup product. It's almost like skincare, but for your lashes. Here's 18. And 18 is a fragrance mini of the Joy by Dior. This is the one with what's her name, Jennifer, oh my gosh, what's her name, you know, the actress from like Hunger Games. Anyway, she's the face of Joy. So that's 18. Okay, 19 is right here, and it's another lipstick. So this is the mini Oh, another one? Oh, okay. So this is a mini of another mini lipstick, but this is the Dior Rouge Matte 999. So the same color code. It's that like a bright red. So see the difference? This was on day 9. This is the same lipstick 999, but like the regular formula. So it's kind of like a satin, I think. Whereas day 19 is a matte finish. Day 20 is back in the front. It's another Sauvage. It's the same Sauvage Eau de Parfum. On day 7, we also had the Sauvage, but I don't know, is it the EDT or Cologne? I don't know what the difference is, but these are the two. Day 21 is right here. So this is the Miss Dior Rose and Roses. I actually own a full set of this. I got this on Mother's Day. It was kind of like my Mother's Day haul. I got the Rose and Roses perfume set. And then with the coupon code that I'm gonna mention at the end of this, I got another deluxe sample of the Miss Rose and Roses. So I have tons of these. So these are great, they're so cute. And I like that the bottle is a mini version of the actual bottle. Here's 22. 22 is a mini of the Dior Show Mascara. It's the Pump and Volume HD. I like this. I think it gets a little clumpy on me because the brush is very big. So just be careful when you wear this one. Here's 23. So we're almost at the end. The Dior Prestige La Creme. If you watched my Nordstrom haul or my Nordstrom recommendations, this Dior Prestige was a gift with purchase. I like the packaging. This is great for travel. I don't know if I'll ever buy a full size, but I do like these samples. Now the final day is day 24. That's right here in the middle. And if you've been watching this and you're wondering like, okay, why are you getting this when you clearly already have almost everything? It's because this has an exclusive Christmas, like a gift decor piece. And it's this right here. Day 24, the last day of this advent calendar, you get this super cute snow globe that says Dior. It has their signature star and a Dior shopping bag and then the CD logo. I just think this is so cute. So cute. This reminds me of the LV like VIC gifts because they usually do snow globes every year and it's got the little stars. Yay. So yep, so that's the last day of this advent calendar. That's the 24th day. Okay, so that is the Dior 2020 advent calendar. These are all the innards starting on day 1, going all the way to the next day. These are all in order by the calendar. And then back there. And then culminating in the final day, this Dior snow globe on the 24th day. So if you are interested in buying this, with any purchase you get these samples, or you can choose from your own samples, and then because the order is over $100, you get an extra deluxe sample. So I chose this one. You can also choose the Jadore or another Sauvage. And then with the code Dior20, that's DIOR20, you get, in addition to those samples, you get this Dior pouch and then a face and body foundation and another Dior Rose and Roses perfume. It also comes with the gift box and the holiday ribbon, holiday gift tag, compliments of Dior, and the Dior envelope. Let me know what you think of this advent calendar. I really like it. I have wanted one every single year, and so I'm glad I finally bit the bullet and got this one. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching. I will be doing a roundup of other advent calendars that I got, so definitely check back for more. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.